Hi everybody, Steven here. So this is a review of the 2018 Architectural Technology exam, and in this video I'm going to cover section B, Environmental System, and we will talk about question 7 about the plumbing and drainage. So you're given like a little sketch with the different fixtures. So we need to find out the fixture unit rating and kind of add all the pipes, vents, and all the elements required for the plumbing. Just gonna jump into Photoshop. In here, I have the little sketch, and I've pasted all the table that we'll use in this exercise. So the first thing we're gonna do is to find out the unit rating of each fixtures, and then find the overall fixture rating for the house. Just gonna get some red. So you'd see that's the table that we need to use here. You have all the fixture here and their abbreviation. Lucky for us, it's all written there, so you just have to match them. Maybe we're gonna start from this one. So B is for basin. B basin, so it's gonna be this one. So it's 40 and 1. So I'm just gonna write as I go. So the basin is 40 diameter and 1 fixture. Then we have the bath and shower. Is this one? So it's 40 and 4. And then we have shower. Where's the shower? So SH here. Oh no. Okay, it's not there. Oh, it's here. Oh, he missed the R. And this is gonna be single. So it's this one. So it's gonna be 40 and 2. And then we get the WC. There's this one here. And we're gonna pick 4. I think those are different type of toilets. Just a different mechanism and how it flush the water. So I could just pick either of them. So it's gonna be 80 and 4. Okay. Now we have CWM, which is washing machine. There's this one here. It's gonna be domestic because it's a residential house. It's 40 and 5. And then this is the laundry tub. What's this one? Just gonna put 40 and 5 as well. Now we get basin. It's the same as this one, so it's gonna be 40 and 1. WC is 80 and 4. And DWM here. It's dishwashing machine, and it's gonna be domestic. So it's this one. And 43. S, I think it's for sink. And sink is this one. So 50 and 3. 50 and 3. So now we get all our fixture rating. And maybe what I'll add is the floorways gully. Usually that's what you would find in the bathroom. Maybe here. And that floorways gully. Maybe I'm just going to do a label like this. It's how many fixtures? 4, 2, 1. So there's 7 fixtures. And if we look at here, if we have more than 3, so it's going to be 10. So it's this one. So it needs to be at least 65 diameters. Floor-wise gully. So 65 and diameter, and that's for 7. And yeah, I mean that's it. There's no other bathroom in this house. So now what I'm going to do is going to add the main drain that will connect to the council sewers. Just going to increase the size. And because the council sewer is here, I think this is going to be the highest point. But this way, and then connect to that. And we know that this pipe is going to be 100 mm diameter pipe. And maybe we can just add some more. So now we have to think about the connection to the main drain. Usually in bathroom, the basin, the bath, and the shower all connect to the floorways gully. And then from here, it connects to the main drain. And every time the toilet would have a separate drain because there's different type of waste. So here you would have one separate drain, one for the basin. This is the washing machine and tub. I think those two, they share one pipe. So you can connect like that. And this is the same, those two share one pipes. And they will connect here. And I think we also need to add the connections. In the lecture's example, there was abbreviation IJ and IB. I think it stands for internal junction and internal bent. I'm just going to change the color to a bit darker red so you can clearly see where the junction are. So there's one here, one here. So those are internal junction. This is internal bend, so like 90 degrees. Internal junction, internal junction. And internal junction here as well. I think in every house you need to overflow relief gully. Usually you'd place it like the connection the closest to the council sewer. I think so. Don't really remember. And so what's next? I think now we need to add the vents. So you would add a vent at the end, so it's like the terminal vent. Oops. Wait, just trying to draw all the way to the top. So that's the terminal vent, and the size, it's depending on the number of fixture that's in it. So what I forgot to do is to calculate the total fixtures. So here's this, at that point there's 1, 5, 7, so 7 plus 4, so we get on this pole we got 11. Here's a 5 plus 5. Here we get 10. Here we got 1. We got 4. So in total, this is 15. And here we got 3 and 3 is 6. So the total will be 11 plus 15, so 26 plus 6, so we get 32 in total. I don't think you need to write those ones, and I don't even think you need to write those ones, but maybe the one at the end, 32. But this is just to help you to kind of size the fence, I think. So size of fence. So the fixture rating. Here we get 32. So I guess for the main vents, I'll add everything so it's more than 30. So it's this one here. There's going to be 65 millimeter diameter. And I think I also need to add vents on this branch here. So this one is taking care of I think this area there, because I think the vent needs to be placed like all the fixtures need to be 10 meters from each other to share the same vent. And so here we get 15, so I would use this one. So it's a branch vent. It's going to be 50 millimeter diameter. And then we need a vent for this branch here. And because only 6 units, it's less than 10, so we can use a 40. Okay. I think that's it, huh? And I don't know, maybe you can add the flow direction. Okay, well, that's how I would tackle this exercise. Hope it's useful. Thank you.